Old Bones Blues. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Here are my 3 tips for Rockschool Grade 3's Old Bones Blues. Tip number 1. In bar 1, you'll see a marking indicating that quavers are swung. Make sure that you observe this throughout, as it's integral to the piece and the genre. Tip number 2. Make sure you're prepared for the exit of the hand solo with the triplet. This is integral to the rest of the piece. Tip number 3. There are lots of open strings in this piece, whether combined with fretted notes where they're droning throughout, or just as part of a single line. Make sure they're played cleanly and at an even volume level.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit that bell to get notified every single time we post a new video. To help you practice for your next Trinity, ABRSM or Rockschool exam, check out the rest of our channel and watch more great pieces. Of course, if you have any ideas for new videos you want us to create, leave them in the comments. We love to read them and get your feedback. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for your suggestions, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, learn, play, repeat.